little demo of running this meander tool, border tool. I've got my safety latch, my tool, slightly modified this particular one on the end here so it wasn't quite so long. But they work great just right out of the box. I like the Maul Master too. It's got the right weight for setting this in deep. On my border, I double cut that with the swivel knife, about a half inch apart here, and cut that in. And then when I'm doing this row, it's pretty easy. Then when I come back, when I'm setting the opposite side in there, I back the tool up till it kind of clicks. I know it's in the groove then.